If you've got a food processor and a few pantry staples, you can make these buttery, crispy homemade crackers that honestly taste better than anything you can buy, and they're ridiculously easy. These are my go-to when I want something a little bit fancy with almost no effort. Perfect for cheese boards, snacks, or just eating straight off the tray. No judgment here. Start by adding all of your ingredients straight into a food processor and blitz for around 30 seconds. You're looking for a texture like wet sand, crumbly, but it should hold together when you press it between your fingers. Once it's ready, tip it out onto some parchment paper and press it together into a rough rectangle. Don't overthink this part, just bring it together into a cohesive dough. Wrap it up in parchment paper, pop it in a Ziploc bag and let it chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can even leave it overnight if that suits your schedule better. This chilling step is key. It firms up the butter and makes the dough way easier to roll out later. Plus, it helps give you that perfectly crisp texture. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven and line a couple of trays with parchment paper. Cut the dough in half and roll it out nice and thin, around 1/4 inch thick. I like to do this between 2 sheets of parchment paper so nothing sticks. Cut out small rounds and place them onto your trays, then use a skewer or lollipop stick to poke a few holes in each one. This helps them bake evenly and gives them that classic cracker look. Brush them with melted butter, sprinkle with flaky sea salt and bake for around 15 minutes. Just keep a close eye on them because they can go from golden to overdone pretty quickly. Let them cool and then serve them up with your favourite cheese, if they last that long.